So what is God? Who is God? God is nature. Yeah? So you want to experience the fullness of the divine. Treat yourself as such. You know, put nature in. You know, choose nature. When we totally shift everything to nature, completely get rid of all of the noise and the processed, because you know processed food is blocking the communication channel between you and your higher self, the God in you. You know that, right? So when you choose nature in everything that you do, you become that completely. There's no separation. You are the awareness of the all. You are